Imagine biting into a hamburger so tender, so juicy, and so rich in flavor that it completely redefines everything you thought you knew about burgers. Forget fast food patties slapped together in minutes. In Japan, the humble hamburger has been elevated into an art form, thanks to one magical ingredient, Wagyu beef. Today on Japan Hacks, we're taking you inside Japan's Wagyu hamburger culture, from its origins, to how it's prepared, to the best spots to try it. This is your ticket to Wagyu paradise. So what makes Wagyu beef different? Wagyu isn't just beef, it's a centuries-old Japanese tradition. These cattle are bred with care, raised in stress-free environments, and fed with carefully balanced diets. The result? Meat with incredible marbling, those delicate veins of fat that melt like butter when cooked. This marbling doesn't just make Wagyu rich and tender. It creates a depth of flavor that's almost impossible to replicate anywhere else in the world. And when Wagyu is ground into a hamburger patty, it transforms a simple dish into something luxurious. Now, Japan didn't invent the hamburger, of course. That belongs to the West. But Japan perfected it. Unlike the typical American burger that often emphasizes toppings and size, Japanese Wagyu hamburgers are all about the purity of the meat. Most high-end shops season the beef with just a pinch of salt and pepper. No heavy sauces, no fillers, no distractions. The focus is on letting the natural flavors of Wagyu shine through. You'll also find that in Japan, many Wagyu burgers lean smaller, more refined, and more balanced than their Western counterparts. Every bite is calculated, every flavor deliberate. It's not about eating more, it's about savoring better. So, where do you go for this Wagyu paradise? Tokyo is the epicenter. Shops like Black Owl's and Ebisu have made international headlines for serving some of the finest Wagyu hamburgers you can find. Their patties are crafted from 100% Japanese black Wagyu, grilled to perfection, and sandwiched between artisanal buns. In Osaka, you'll find burgers infused with local creativity, often blending in Kansai-style toppings like fried eggs or tangy sauces. Meanwhile, Kobe, famous worldwide for its beef, has boutique burger shops that serve patties exclusively from Kobe cattle, making each burger an almost ceremonial experience. And here's the best part. While Wagyu steaks can set you back hundreds of dollars, Wagyu hamburgers are far more affordable. You can taste the same world-famous beef in burger form for a fraction of the price, sometimes under 2,000 yen. But Wagyu hamburgers aren't just about taste. They're part of a larger Japanese philosophy of craftsmanship, or shokunin spirit. In Japan, even a hamburger isn't fast food when Wagyu is involved. Chefs approach it with the same seriousness as sushi masters or ramen artisans. The grind of the beef, the shape of the patty, the exact cooking temperature, nothing is left to chance. This level of care is what makes eating Wagyu burgers in Japan such a unique cultural experience. It's not about grabbing food on the go. It's about slowing down, appreciating the ingredients, and respecting the craft. If you're visiting Japan and want to try Wagyu burgers, here are a few hacks. Reserve ahead of time at popular shops in Tokyo. Places like Black Owl's or Henry's Burger can get crowded quickly. Try regional specialties. In Kobe, seek out Kobe beef burgers. In Matsusaka, hunt down burgers made with Matsusaka Wagyu. Each region has its own twist. Don't overorder. Wagyu is incredibly rich. One burger may be more satisfying than you expect. And if you're on a budget, check out department store food halls. Many sell gourmet Wagyu hamburgers in their basement depachica sections, giving you a chance to taste premium beef without splurging at a restaurant. A Wagyu hamburger in Japan is more than a meal. It's a bridge between cultures, taking a Western classic and infusing it with Japanese craftsmanship, tradition, and respect for ingredients. So next time you're in Japan, don't just seek out sushi or ramen. Head to Wagyu paradise and discover why even a humble hamburger can be transformed into an unforgettable culinary experience. Thanks for watching Japan Hacks. If you enjoyed this journey into Japan's Wagyu burger culture, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insider tips on food, travel, and culture across Japan.